In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new project in Asana from your home screen. First, make sure you're logged into your Asana account and then head over to the home page. This is usually the default view when you open Asana, and it's where you'll see an overview of your recent work, tasks, and projects. Take a moment to let the page load completely so all the buttons and menus appear correctly. On the home screen, look towards the top area of the interface. You'll see your main navigation and several options for adding work. The area we're interested in is where Asana allows you to start something new. This might appear as a button or menu near the top, often labeled with something like Create or represented by a plus icon. Move your cursor to that highlighted area. Hover over it for a second to confirm that it's interactive, then click it. When you click this highlight, Asana will open a small menu or drop-down. This is where you can add different types of items, such as tasks or messages, depending on your setup. From this menu, look specifically for the option that says New Project. This is the key action you'll use whenever you want to start organizing a new piece of work, whether it's a client job, an internal initiative, or a personal planning board. Go ahead and click on New Project. After you select New Project, Asana will take you to the project creation page. Here, you'll see a new screen dedicated to setting up your project. This page usually offers choices like starting from a blank layout, using a template, or possibly importing from another tool. You'll also see fields where you can name your project and choose how you want it to look, such as a list view or a board view. On this project creation screen, look again for the highlighted area that prompts you to continue. This may be a button like Continue, Create Project, or an option that lets you confirm the setup you've chosen. Before you click, quickly review your selections. Make sure the project name is clear, the layout is what you want, and any basic settings look right. When you're ready, click that highlighted button to finalize. Once you've done that, Asana will create your new project and open it automatically, ready for you to start adding tasks and organizing your work.